I hurt myself today to see if I still feel. I focus on the pain, the only thing that's real. The needle tears a hole, the old familiar sting. Try to kill it all away, but I remember everything. What have I become? My sweetest friend. Everyone I know goes away. I want to move into meth camp. I see your feet, dude. Ronnie, hit. Good job. Nice shot, man. Nice shot. How many we got, guys? Here. There's a nice bunker. What's that? You got like 7, 8 guys up on the hill. Yeah, coming up, right? Yeah. They're all up on there. Let me get close, lay down some fire. Alright. Cover. No, he's got a dead rag. He's got white. There's the dead rag.
There's two of them over there.
Yep.
One of them was next to him.
Yep, we got two. Good. He's medicing the other one. You gotta be kidding me. You're shitting me now, right? Dead? I got at least two here. You got any visual, Tim? I'm coming next to you there. We got friendly there. I'm gonna lay down cover. We're gonna move up. Wait, watch those enemy here. See they're dead? You see the tree right there across the bush? Right there? Make it up to there. We're taking this ridge. Ready, guys? Yeah. Go! Nice. Nice. We're pushing up. Yep. Pushing up, pushing up. In that bush to your 12. You moving? We got dead coming out?
Yeah, he's out.
He's got another one to his left, I think. Yep, another one to his left. We got him?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you check it out? He needs a medic? Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Go. I'll go right after you. Yep, keep your head down. Go, 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 go. Good job, guys. Nice job.
Oh my God. They're all over that.
Go, go. That's game.
Your own personal Jesus. Someone to hear your prayers, someone who cares.